The MLA from North Shillong constituency, which is bearing the brunt of a water crisis, Adelbert Nongrum, on Tuesday sought the intervention of both Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Urban Affairs Snehbha Langdhar and PHE Minister Marcus N. Marak to combat the problem beleaguering his constituency for some time now. Nongrum said that the two concerned authorities, PHE and Shillong Municipal Board, should collectively work towards the convergence since the two cannot work separately. Stating that the people have been subject to undeserving problems, the North Shillong MLA made a clarion call to take a serious note of the vital matter. According to Nongrum, some areas are facing acute shortage of water, while some areas have surplus water.
Abang iwat, abang ipersang berwat di Kedah, lembaga departmen. Kedah ke bumi ke day ke bah nomor ke jing terkong, jong ke niga ayok. Kata kanum day tang Kedah, kanum day tang ke lame excuse. Kanum la bersipun hondu, ya kipai ba, nomor kipai ba kidai kiba silder, ya ke tax segi departmen per. Teror kata kanum rem, ngabu ya ke jing kerpat, ngabu ya ke jing kentu, lembaga minister, mungkin subah ban kentu. Banai ke proper instruction ya ke department concern habari PHE pada beri ke SMB jaga-jaga kidon ki baka umbam ka silai ka poho kami slam ka por bar kidon par ki jaga-jaga ru ka ba kami duna par ka keru tirmar kada ngaken tu ya kini di artli department mungkin subha ban simkia